Hey guys, how's it going? It's Samkiller, and today I'm going to make a really cool hybrid trap drop here using the power of Octane by Black Lotus Audio. So without talking much longer, let's go into our DAW and get started with this tutorial. So to start off, I already have here a really cool drum loop that sounds something like this. Really sick, really dope. And now I have here my Vital, which has some really cool presets by Black Lotus Audio's Octane Trap for Vital pack. So I already have selected a few presets, so now we need a filler bass for that, so we're gonna go here once again. And maybe a Reese bass could work really nicely. And I really like that pitch bending. I'm gonna go here. It still sounds a little bit empty, so we can start adding more elements, because the fun part about Octane for Vital here is that it has everything you need to create hybrid traps. So you got basses, you got synths, you got background elements, everything you need to create some really thick, amazing hybrid trap. And one very important thing is this 808. So now I'm going to create a cool little pattern here on our 808. But it still sounds a little bit empty, so now we can add our filler effects that I was mentioning, our background elements. I think that sounds really cool. It's going to be very quiet in the background. And now we need to start routing everything into our track here. And now we're going to start mixing. I'm going to create a bass bus here for our main basses and not include our filler bass. really want this 808 to be very distorted, so I'm gonna add some distortion here, like very heavy. As well as with the Reese bass here, I'm gonna add some distortion to that one as well. And now the sampler is gonna become our sidechain, so I'm gonna rename this to sidechain. I'm gonna replace our sampler with a MIDI out, and I'm gonna have a sidechain trigger happening here. We can add more elements, so now we can add some synth elements, which we haven't added yet. So you can go here into our synth elements and maybe, for example, some brass. This one sounds really good. Now to add some more OTT into these brass shots, this is going to make them very thick. And there you have it, a really easy hybrid trap using Octave for Vital. You can really go crazy with the effects you can add. You can really go crazy with the modulations, with the macros, and I really didn't touch up the presets, so you can really change those presets up and make a unique hybrid trap drop using Octave for Vital. So if you want to get Octave for Vital, you can use the link down in the description and use my discount code SoundKiller20 to get 20% off Octave for Vital. Anyways, thank you Black Lotus Audio for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, like and subscribe to keep the channel active and so that you can always see the latest Soundkiller. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.